There's two ways that you can speed up or slow down videos using the new Instagram Edits app, and I'm going to show you how to do both in this video. I made something special just for you. The Reels Blueprint is a free guide that shows you how to plan, film, and post short-form videos that actually feel like you. Grab yours using the link in my description and start showing up on camera with confidence. Woo woo! The first way is if you record in your Instagram Edits app, you have options on the side here. You see this 1x? You can click on that, and this will give you the option to either speed it up or slow it down. So 2x, 3x speeds it up, 0.5, 0.3 slows it down. So say for example, I'm going to slow this down to begin with. So I'm going to press record, and as I'm talking, you're going to see the top here. It's going to give me time code for how long this video is. So it's already 10 seconds, like it's going really fast because it's going to slow all this down and the clip is going to be longer. So it's going to tell you the time to expect the clip to be once it's done. And then the opposite is going to happen if we speed it up. So if we press record again, you can see that that number is really slow because we're speeding this up. So we're going to need a lot more content to make it to be as long as the other one. So it's just going to take a lot more recording to make the length the same. So there we go. We have two clips. We slowed one down and we sped one up. And then in Edit, you can see the clips. You can actually click on the clip and still adjust the speed this way. So you can see speed here at the bottom. So you can see it's 0.5. I can adjust it from the beginning. So if I go to 1 with this, it's going to have this at regular speed, the speed that I recorded it. I can speed it up to plus times 10 times faster, and you can see how long the clip is going to be. There's going to be an indicator for a time code for how long the clip is going to be, so it's only going to be 1.6 seconds. I can also do the same if I'm adding new clips. So if I want to click on the end part here, and I see the plus sign, I can add a new clip from my gallery. And let's add this clip of Vancouver. And then I can click on it and adjust the speed. Let's actually speed this up. The speed up and the slow down is a lot faster or slower when you do it in here. And it's going to allow you to speed it up to 10 times. However, if that's too slow for you, so say it's at 10 times but you want it to be even faster, the best way to do that is to actually export this video. So we're going to export, we're going to save this video of the clip already sped up times 10, and then I can re-add that video into Instagram Reels and then adjust the time again. So this is going to allow you to have more control over it, to speed it up or slow it down even more so. Do you have any reel questions? If so, let me know in the comments because I use those to come up with new video ideas. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace!